My today topic is viscosity. It means Syanta in Hindi. We just use it in our technical field and our education field both. So today I describe about the viscosity and what is the unit of viscosity and viscous force and what is the effect of temperature in viscosity. Let's start viscosity. Viscosity is a measurement of how resistant a fluid is to attempts to move through it. Is measurement of how resistant fluid a fluid is to attempt to move through it. In simple word, viscosity is viscosity, the thickness of fluid, refers to how resistant a fluid is to movement through it. Thickness is very important here. Thickness, viscosity is the thickness of fluid refers to how resistant a fluid is to movement through it. Thickness of fluid. Suppose that here one is water. I take water and honey. This viscosity is low and honey viscosity is very high. So water flow rate is high and honey, this thickness is high, this viscosity is high, so this flow rate this movement or flow rate to moving rate is high and this honey is slow. A fluid with a low viscosity is said to be thin, while a high viscosity fluid is said to be thick. It is easier to move through a low viscosity fluid like water than a high viscosity fluid like honey. I given you all example already. Now we tell about the viscous force. Suppose that A, B and the C layer of same medium water. One layer is this, another layer is this, another layer is this. This one system of here this layer opposed to this layer. So B layer opposed to A layer. So here just like a friction, a liquid layer slide with another same liquid layer there. One force is work. One internal tangential force work which opposed to relative motion of both layer. Relative motion. Relative motion of both layer, each layer A and B and C. This force is called viscous force. This layer velocity is more than and this one, this velocity less. And if this layer touch directly contact of surface, then this velocity always less. This maximum velocity, this reduce, and this one if contact of surface, this minimum velocity in surface area of the contact. contact of the surface, minimum velocity. This viscous force is directly proportional to A, and this force, viscous force, is also directly proportional to dy dx. dy dx this velocity gradient, वेग प्रवणता, velocity gradient. Velocity gradient is or the speed the liquid is moving. It shows the speed which is of liquid is movement. Now here, suppose that this one, this two, force is proportional to area, force is proportional to, so overall force is directly proportional to A and also velocity gradient. If I remove this proportionality, I will put here one constant, A dV dx. This viscosity constant, this area, this dy dx is viscosity gradient. Viscosity is denoted by neta, and the unit of velocity, viscosity, the SI unit is Newton second per meter square. In shortcut, and as in MKS unit kgf second per meter square. CGS unit is dyne second per meter square, centimeter square. This overall all the units of viscosity. What is the effect of temperature in viscosity? We using in generally in technical industrial field so many type of oil. So there is mention this viscosity VG46 like that viscosity grade. viscosity grade. This is 46 grade. They also mention there temperature, allow permissible temperature. Suppose that 35 up to 40 degrees centigrade. And after then, what will it will misbehaving? It will lose their property, because when you increase the temperature, the viscosity level is going down. So main reason is this effect of temperature. If any oil, any fluid, if you increase the temperature, it will lose their property. It will change the viscosity. If you raise the temperature, it will reduce their viscosity. Now, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.